Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare sauerkraut from a jar-only way. Open the jar and check the aroma and brine clarity, then decide if you want milder flavor by rinsing briefly under cold water. If you rinse, squeeze gently to remove excess liquid and taste for salt. If you keep the brine, stir to distribute flavor. Choose serving style: cold salad, warm side, or lightly warmed for depth. To rinse and drain, pour the kraut into a fine sieve and run cold water over it for 10 to 20 seconds, tasting as you go. Press gently with a spoon to remove excess brine while keeping some moisture for texture. Let it drain for a minute or two, then transfer to a bowl and pat with a clean towel if you want firmer shreds. This step controls sourness and saltiness for your recipe. Seasoning is simple and forgiving, so start light and adjust to taste. A teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or a pinch of sugar can soften sharpness. Toss in caraway seeds, a little black pepper, or finely chopped apple for texture and sweetness contrast. For warm serving, briefly sauté with butter or olive oil until just heated through. For salads or sandwiches, serve chilled for maximum crunch and bright flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.